To run a program as an administrator just once, you can utilize the Windows search function. For instance, if you want to open Google Chrome as an administrator, begin by searching for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Once it appears in the search results, right-click on it, and then select the option that says Run as Administrator. This action will launch Chrome with administrative privileges for that single session. If you intend to always run a specific program as an administrator, you will need to adjust its shortcut properties. Locate the shortcut for the program, for example, on your desktop. Right-click on this shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab. Here, you will find a checkbox labeled Run this program as an administrator. Tick this box. After making the selection, click on Apply, and then Confirm by clicking OK. This setting will ensure that the program consistently launches with administrator rights every time you open it. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.